You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from PayPal to PayPal. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because you'll help me out. So to get started with the simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from PayPal to PayPal. So the first step is to log in into your PayPal. So go to the PayPal website or the PayPal app and sign in with your email and password. Then after that, go to the send, choose the send option. Then from there, tap on or click on send on the app, or if it is on the website, just click on send and request if you are on the website. Then after that, you have to enter the recipient's details. So type in the email address or the phone number of the PayPal user you want to send money to. Then from there, type in the amount you want to send, then choose the currency if applicable. Then from there, you have to select the payment type. So choose either friends and family for personal transfer, no fee. If using the PayPal balance or link bank. Then if it is good and service, if you are buying something, offer purchase protection. Then after that, you have to review the details, choose the payment method, which is PayPal balance, or bank account, which is debit/credit card. Then once that is reviewed, then tap or click on send payment now. And that's how to send money from PayPal to PayPal. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.